The goal of every business is to hit its goal, achieve a decent return on investment, and stay consistently profitable. Unfortunately, when your computer fails to work, you stop working. That means loss of revenue, opportunities, and inability to meet targets. It worsens when you experience data loss or downtime from your hosting provider. Finding a fast, experienced, one-stop IT solution company that can take care of these IT needs is always daunting. That's where we come in. For more than a decade, Intelligent Computer Services, ICS, has provided exceptional IT solutions to thousands of businesses all over Singapore, and we can help you too. We offer affordable computer repair solutions in record time. We understand that moving your computer to our station can be tasking, so we also offer on-site computer repairs with no charges on the transportation, taking the stress and hassle off you. We offer routine computer maintenance service, so you don't experience computer problems in the first place. Your personal data is priceless, and losing your data can be devastating. Don't worry, our technical team uses state-of-the-art tools to prevent data loss or recover it. Are you tired of experiencing hosting downtime? We've got you covered. We provide a fast and efficient hosting service that keeps your business running 24/7. Please take advantage of our services and take your business to the next level. Call us today at +65 9003 4555 or visit us at intelligence.com.sg.